Alright, I got a little Stanley. The Anvil part of it is broken. So I'm going to put it in the forge for a little bit, bring it up to temperature. I'm going to build up that Anvil with make wire. And I'll weld it up and grind it down. And that should be a quick fix. Just build up a little bit of weld there. So now it's not going to be welding on the cast, but it's going to be welding on that first bead, if that makes any sense. So here's a sample of a new Stanley. See that beautiful Anvil there? That's what I'm going to try to mimic on this side. It's not going to look the same, but I want to get close as possible to it. Alright, I'm starting to build up the Anvil a little bit. And I have this one next to it just to kind of, for reference. It's going to take a little bit and lots of grinding, but should be easy enough for this little guy. It's getting there. We got some progress. Alright, build it up a little more. It's definitely getting there. It's not pretty now, but once I grind it down, it'll look close to that. Alright, look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? I'm gonna do some hand filing, make it smooth around. This I will grind down with the 2x72 bell grinder. And that's just details now. Alright, did a little bit of hand file. Cleaned it up a little bit. Now I'm gonna do the top Anvil part on the bell grinder. Look at that. Huge difference. Beautiful. I'm sure it's all cleaned up. What do you guys think about the Anvil? Not too bad, right? Well, there she is, guys. Finally done. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Appreciate the love. Stay tuned for the next.